My son just turned 3 and he's obsessed with all things wheels, like monster trucks, Hot Wheels, fire trucks, anything with wheels he is obsessed with. So we got him tickets to go see the Hot Wheels monster trucks for his birthday, and we are on our way there now, and we're so excited to see how he reacts. So are you excited?
Yeah.
What are we gonna see?
Monster trucks and Hot Wheels.
He's eating the car.
There you go.
Do you want a shirt or a hat?
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, buddy.
We just pulled back into home and we had the best time. At first he was a little bit overwhelmed, but then as he got used to it, he was so excited, and it was a blast. We will definitely be going again someday.